Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping by today. And this video is going to be kind of short and to the point. I have basically three things to talk about. The first one is I got some free stuff for you. It's free. It's for you. I'll get to that in a second. The second thing is I've got a little bit of news/announcement to make. No big deal, but stuff that I think you might be interested in. And number three is I have a question for you. So first, let's get into the free stuff. The free stuff is I have for quite a while been offering a preset pack for Luminar Neo for free to anyone that subscribes to my email newsletter on my website. If you go to jimnix.com, and I'll put a link down below, right there on the main page, you can just see it says subscribe and get a free Luminar Neo preset pack. But you also now get my free creative kit. So you get both things for free. The creative kit is 3 different sky overlays, 3 different texture overlays, and 3 different LUTs. So you actually get both that and the preset pack for subscribing to my email newsletter. So that's a bunch of fun stuff you can just get creative with, whether you're using Luminar Neo. Of course, the presets for Luminar Neo only work in Luminar Neo, but the sky overlays, the textures, the LUTs, they'll work in any app that support those. So it's my free creative kit. And by the way, I'm also working on something else I'm going to be adding soon as another free item here as a benefit for being a subscriber to my email newsletter. Speaking of which, if you're curious about my newsletter, you can sign up there. All I ask for is your email address. You can also click on newsletter and you can get over here and see a little bit about what I talk about in the newsletter. But the key thing I like to point out is that just about every newsletter, I include tips and tricks to help you make better photographs. So that's what that's all about. So I wanted to share that bit of news because people like free stuff. I thought you might as well. Feel free to subscribe down below. And if you don't subscribe, that's cool. You can still read my blog or hang out here on YouTube. It's up to you, my friends. The second thing is like an announcement/news. And so the announcement is that I now have a second sky pack available. So if you click on shop, that'll open this page here. And I've got this new dramatic sunset sky replacement pack. As you can see, the regular price is $20. This is only going to be $10, and it's 15 dramatic sunsets, which I want to show you now because they're dramatic, they're fun, and hey, guess what? They're colorful because I like colorful. And by the way, I like sunsets. I mean, you can get sky packs that have puffy white clouds for the middle of the day, and they're absolutely useful. There's nothing wrong with that. When I'm replacing a sky, I'm going to put in a sunset because that's what I want to play with. Let me show you what these skies look like. Remember, 15 dramatic skies, only $10. So there's sky number 1. Sky number 2, I love this one. That looks like a serpent head to me. I just absolutely love that. Number 3, nice warm tones. Number 4, another bit of warm tones. Number 5, it's kind of can't decide if it's going to be cool or warm. It's got a little bit of both. Number 6, look at those clouds. Ooh, I do like my clouds. Number 7, another beautiful cloud burst with some warm and cool tones. Number 8, similar kind of idea as the last one. Number 9, beautiful stormy clouds with that just drama going on there on the horizon. Number 10, there you go. Number 11 and number 12, nice burst of warmth there. Number 13, I love that sky. I use that sky a lot. Number 14, another beautiful sky, and number 15, beautiful pink skies. So that is my dramatic sunset sky replacement pack. 15 dramatic skies, regular price, $20, on sale for $10. And the other bit of news is that actually for Memorial Day, I'm having a summer sale, just a huge summer blowout sale on all my digital products. So my HDR Merge Power Bundle is marked down to $55. This new Sky Pack's only $10. My Mega Pack, which is 50 Luminar presets, is marked down to $29. My original Sky Replacement Pack, called Stunning Sunsets, is marked down from $25 to $12. I got 2 different LUT packs. They're both $10. Magic Hour for that sunset, twilight, golden hour kind of look. And of course, Monochrome Mastery for that black and white kind of monochrome look. And I've even got 2 texture packs, and both of these are regular $10, and they're half price, $5. So that's the other bit of news, is that in addition to getting some free stuff, which would be presets and my creative kit, if you're interested, only if you're interested, I've got everything on sale on my website and my web store. So it's a good way to kick off summer. This sale is only going to run through Monday next week at 10 p.m. Central Time US. That's my time zone, and that's when I go to bed. So I'm going to turn it off then. Feel free to check that out if you'd like to. If not, take advantage of the free stuff and that sort of thing. And the last thing, which was item number 3, is a question. And the question I have for you, my friends, is what do you want me to make next? And I don't mean products here. I've got plenty of ideas there and I'm working on stuff. Trust me. And by the way, those people that are on my newsletter hear about these things first. I'm talking about videos. I'm talking about free educational content that I'm going to bring here to YouTube every single week. I'm not exaggerating, pages and pages of ideas and notes about videos I want to make for Luminar Neo, for On1 Photo Raw, for Mylio photos, things like that. But what do you want me to make? What are you struggling with? So that's a question. What are you struggling with to get better at in terms of editing in these different products or using these products or optimizing your workflow? Or in general photography, perhaps I can do a vlog when I'm out shooting a certain subject matter and I could perhaps give some tips and tricks to help you get better at shooting that same subject matter wherever you may live. So that's my question. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, what you like, what you need. And I want to make things that you guys care about because I sit here by myself, talking to myself in my office, just doing my thing all by myself. And I put out videos and, sometimes they're really well received. Sometimes they're not, but it's honestly half the time it's guesswork. I'd love to tell you that I've got this thing figured out and it's scientific. Nobody does. We're all just making it up as we go, my friends. But I want to make stuff that you care about because I want to add value and I want you to get value out of coming to my YouTube channel. So that's my question. Leave that in the comment down below. Subscribe to my newsletter if you want to see things early. If I do actually give early access to some YouTube videos to my to my newsletter subscribers. And of course, I have products that I'll put in there as well. But right now I'm running that sale, as I mentioned. Or subscribe and just get the free stuff. And that's totally cool with me. That's it for this one, my friends. Thanks for taking the time to listen. I hope if you're an American and celebrating the Memorial Day holiday that you have a wonderful holiday. And even if you're not American, I still hope you have a wonderful weekend out there, wherever you may be. And that you maybe get some time to go outside with the camera, walk around, take some snaps, and enjoy it. So thanks for stopping by. I'll be back next week with more videos, my friends. You guys take care, and until then, adios.